What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some future modifications that I'm planning on doing to my GTS, but I need your guys' help. I have a few ideas in mind, and I don't know if I want to give you guys all the ideas and then you guys help me pick, or if I should just wing it and just surprise you guys. But it would be pretty cool if you guys help with me decide. So I'm going to give you guys a few of the ideas that I have in mind. I have 3 ideas and I want you guys to help me pick. So for the wrap ideas, first idea would be to get like a satin dark blue, just like the AMG GTR Pro color, and just add some like black accents or yellow accents. I think that would look pretty cool. I have yet to see an AMG GTS with that dark like satin blue finish, and honestly I think that would look super nice. So first option is the satin dark blue with the black or yellow accents. Second idea is to go full satin black, full stealth mode. Like, it's gonna make this car look like a freaking stealth bomber. But the only problem with that is literally everybody does just satin black. I mean, I'm not knocking it off or anything. I would love to do it on my car, but then it's gonna be the same as like basically everybody else. So I think the satin black, like the full satin black look, is gonna be last on the list. And the last wrap idea is satin black, but then yellow accents. If you guys remember my C43, it was gloss black with the yellow stripe and like the yellow accents everywhere, and revive the C43 vibes that I had back in the days. You can't really go wrong with satin black and yellow. So help me decide. I can't for the life of me pick, so I need your guys' help. And then the next modification is gonna have to do with this exhaust. As you guys heard in the beginning of the video, I revved it in Sport Plus and in race mode. Like, it sounds amazing for a twin turbo car, but I think I'm going to get a Catback exhaust system from FI for the GTS, and I'm not really too sure when I should get it. And then we have people coming. If I go full like catless downpipes on the car, that's gonna be bad news, because 1, I'm not gonna pass inspection legally, and 2, if I wanted to get like catless downpipes for the car, I would have to cut off the stock exhaust, and I'm not a fan of cutting off the exhaust. But the other way I could just install the catless downpipes is if we drop the transmission, and I'm definitely not going to be dropping the transmission. So Catback exhaust it is. Help me pick which one, either like Army Tricks or FI exhaust. But now we need to make this car look better. It does have the aerodynamics kit from factory, but it's missing some carbon. On my C43, I had a carbon diffuser, I had a carbon wing, I had freaking carbon front splitter. Currently, all the carbon fiber is on the interior of the car and none on the exterior. We have it in the center console over here and on the door right over there. Let me show you on this side. The carbon fiber on the doors right over here. I'm gonna need you guys to help me pick which company to get the carbon fiber from. I'm not trying to spend like 30 grand on just carbon fiber parts, but I do want the quality to be there. So if you guys know any good carbon fiber companies that make decent stuff for the GTS and it's not gonna break my wallet, let me know. Hey, what's up?
You got a YouTube channel?
I do.
What is it?
AMG GTS.
Nice.
Thank you. I just bought it 2 months ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. Turbo in it too?
I'm sorry?
You got a turbo in it?
Yeah, 2 turbos.
That's fucking sick. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Too.
Thank you so much.
See you,
Bye.
bro.
Have a nice day. That's so funny. Those guys seemed pretty nice, and they subscribed, so if you guys are watching this video, thank you. Last but not least, your guys' favorites, the wheels. These are the titanium forged wheels. They look pretty nice, but you guys don't like the color, and you guys are telling me to go full black. So if you guys know any cool designs from any wheel company that can maybe give me a sponsorship, who knows? Help me choose some new wheels if you guys think that I should just get new wheels. If I do get new wheels, these will be the winter set, and then the new wheels will be for the summer. I think it would be pretty cool if you viewers had like some input on the look of my car. So like if I go to car shows, then a piece of you will be on the car as well. Honestly, that was a sick burnout. See you guys in the next one. Peace.